Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
The angular half width of the beam is given in equation 25.7, and according to this equation, the half angle is equal to 1.22 lambda over d, where d is the diameter of the diffracting circle and is given in the question. And the angular width from this equation, which is theta, should be twice of the half angular width. So this should be twice of this value. So let's compute this first. So this is really simple. We have lambda and d. Make sure you convert your lambda into meters and do the calculation. And we get this value to be 2.822 times 10 to the power minus 4 radian. So that is the half angular width. So the angular width will then be equal to twice of this value. So that is 5.644 times 10 to the power minus 4 radian. And now the diameter of the beam, the linear diameter of the beam is then, let's call it d, is then equal to the angular width theta times the distance from the source of the light to the observation point. So r theta. And this is only accurate for small angles. That is the case when sine theta is equal to tan theta is equal to theta. Let's draw a diagram. Let's draw a diagram to see that. So this is theta, which is very small, and this is r, which is the distance from the source of the light to the observation point, and d is the linear diameter of the beam, capital D. So for the first part, this is given by this equation we'll apply, and here r is equal to 340 times 10 to the power 3 meter. And we use the value of theta that we calculate here, and we get the diameter to be 190 meter. We do the same thing for second part. So we use the same equation, but here the distance from the source of the light to the moon when it reaches the observation point is basically the observation point is the moon here. So r is going to be different, and r is 384 times 10 to the power 6 meter. And we use this value and we calculate the capital D to be 2.2 times 10 to the power 5 meter.